In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Lovable code. We'll walk through logging in, opening your project, unlocking the editor with an upgrade, and confirming you can edit your code smoothly from start to finish. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable. Click through to the official site. You'll know you're in the right place if the branding and URL look familiar from when you first signed up. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Email. This option keeps things straightforward and takes you to the standard email and password flow. Type in the email address you use for your Lovable account, then click Continue. On the next screen, enter your password. Double check for typos. Passwords are case sensitive and make sure your keyboard caps lock isn't on. When you're ready, click Login to access your workspace. After you're signed in and on the home page, scroll to find the project you want to work on. Lovable often shows recent or starred projects near the top, but if you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling until you find the project tile you need, then click it to open the project. Inside the project, look toward the lower left area of the interface and click Edit. If your account doesn't include editing yet, you'll see a notice indicating that editing is available once you upgrade. That's your cue to proceed with the upgrade so you can unlock full editing capabilities. Click Upgrade. You'll be shown the available plans. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, so you pick the one that best fits how often you plan to edit and what features you need. When you've decided, click Upgrade to continue. You'll be prompted to enter your payment method and your details. Fill these in carefully, ensuring your billing information matches your payment provider's records. If there's a field for a tax ID or postal code, provide the correct values so the payment can be processed without delays. Submit the form to finalize your upgrade. Once your payment is confirmed, head back to your project and click Edit again. This time, the editor should open, allowing you to modify your code and settings as needed. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh and try again. That's it. You've searched for Lovable, logged in with your email and password, opened your project, upgraded to enable editing, and confirmed that editing is available. Thanks for watching, and happy building.